before we get to your calls, guess what? Christmas came early. There's a special offering happening right now to join the CNBC Investing Club. You're going to get my top takeaways in every charitable trust move, of course, before I make it. Scan the QR code or go to cnbc.com/Cramer Club. And now it is time. It's time for the light round. Here's my friend Rob Goldberg, retaining the stock setter, buy, sell, jumping into the callers ahead of time. My staff is the way you play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the light round, cameras. Let's go to Kim in New York. Kim.
Hi, Jim. I'm so excited to speak to you. I'm a new club member, and I'm loving it. I bought this aerospace stock in 2014 for $31 a share, and today it's $200. But revenue is up 14% year over year. So should I sell or hold? The company is Howmet Aerospace.
Okay, I want you to hold Howmet. I think it's probably the best performer in the industry. It's going up even as its major customers are not doing that well. Can you imagine what happens when the customers start doing well? I say hold on to Howmet. Let's go to Leslie in California. Leslie.
Jim, I have a subscription to the Journal of Portfolio Management, so I'm a real academic guru. But making money in any market is better than that subscription.
You're very kind.
Technology Group.
Okay, Marvell is a winner when we talk about this non-NVIDIA, who makes chips for themselves kind of thing. And Marvell is a very good stock. There's a lot of takeover fluff in it. I want to wait for that fluff to be taken out of it. I'm not going to recommend the stock up $6. Let's go to Jack in California. Jack.
Hey, thanks for all the good advice on Apple. You've made us all a lot of money. I appreciate it.
You're very kind. Thank you.
The stock I have is a wild stock. Over the last 2 years, gone from 40 to 170, back to 90 when the short sellers got after it, back to 180. Everybody loves it on Wall Street. I can't understand why it's not higher. They just finished a big deal with Apollo, FTAI Aviation.
I like it too. It's aviation. But remember, aviation is not doing as well as the companies in travel. And that's what's hurting FTAI. I want you to hold on to it, though. Let's go to Jay in Arkansas. Jay.
Booyah, Cramer.
Booyah.
Hey, Jim, I have this stock that's been on my watch list for quite a while now. I missed the most recent parabolic swing. The company has triple-digit revenue growth quarter after quarter. They have robust margins. My stock is Astera Labs.
You know, look, it sells at 82 times earnings. I mean, it's the most highly valued stock in the entire stock market. I cannot get behind it at these prices, even though I think it's a very, very good company. Let's go to Sam in Illinois. Sam.
Hi, Jim. Thank you for taking my call. My stock tonight is Jacobs Solutions.
Okay, let me just say right now, Jacobs Solutions, I think, was incorrectly valued last week when an analyst came out and said that they did not do the number and did not do the forecast. That was not true. Bob Pragada did the number, and he gave a good forecast, and that's why I think that Goldman Sachs recommended today. I can't speak highly enough about both Jacobs and the price that it's at. I would buy this thing at 132. Let's go to Mark in Arizona. Mark.
Jim, warm holiday booyahs from the desert.
Thank you, you too. Thank you for that. What's going on?
Jim, there's been a landslide at Iron Mountain, and I'm getting crushed. What am I going to do from here?
Yeah, I mean, people are really trying to rethink. That stock's being rethinked on the fly and in a very negative way. I think it's got a 4% yield now. That'll probably hold. But if it rallies at all, I do want you to sell it. I just don't see the upside. Let's go to Anthony in Florida. Anthony.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah, Anthony. What's up?
I have ticker symbol RKLB. I've been a buyer since $6. I know in your book that you wrote how to make money in any market. You talk about speculation, but doing it wisely. I believe this company has a lot of potential for.
Okay, look, I have to tell you, I think this stock is very, look, as these stocks go, I'm not going to call it inexpensive, this is a spec, but as specs go, I like it at these prices. How about that? I think that's a fair way to put it. Let's go to John in Virginia. John.
Jim, I'm asking about one of the leading companies in the nation's capital, Booz Allen Hamilton, BAA.
This Booz Allen Hamilton got hurt very badly by Doge. Now, Doge has since moved on, so to speak, and I think all the way down here, it sells at an incredibly low multiple. I'm going to take the other side of the sellers and recommend the stock. Let's go to Nathan in Texas. Nathan.
Jim, how are you, buddy?
I am good. How about you, Nathan?
I'm great. It's good to talk to you. IMCR, Immunocare.
Yeah, you know what? I'm going to have to. I have to look at what the heck's going on there, because that just had one of the biggest moves. We're going to wait on that. Let's do some work on that. Let's go to David in California. David.
Hey, booyah, Cramer from South End of the Golden State. Love you, man.
All right. Good to have you on the show.
Thank you. Neptune Insurance Holdings.
You know, the only insurance company I recommend is Chubb. I am intrigued by this lemonade. I read another good report about it today. I do think that it's become the way for younger people to trade the whole complex of insurance, and it's up another 5 today on a very positive recommendation. It's probably not done. Let's go to Kirk in Texas. Kirk.
Hey, Jim, it's Kirk.
Hey, Kirk, what's up?
Oh, so I was watching the market just rip higher today, and I noticed that Spotify was down by 2%.
Yeah, that made no sense to me. I looked at Spotify, too. I don't understand why it's not coming back. It's a great subscription business, and I think you ought to buy the stock. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, there's one big factor that could put this bull market in jeopardy, and it's as simple as supply and demand. Cramer's explaining next.
Booyah for the Emperor of Cramerica.
Honorable James J. Cramer.
You got me jumping around my office right now.
Thank you so much for all you do for us.
I enjoy your show, and I find it very entertaining and informative.
I watched your first ever episode of Mad Money back in 2005, and I've been watching every single episode ever since.
Don't miss Mad Money every night at 6 p.m. Eastern. Plus, join the CNBC Investing Club and stick with Cramer around the clock. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.